how to disassemble old rusty Z50 wheel. That's the way I usually do it. Cut a hole in the tire so you can get to the inner bead. This is what usually rusts on. Get the tube out of your way. I just tuck it in here. Get out of your way. So you can get to this bead in here. Then I use wire snips to trim my hole in the tire and cut the tube. And I take a 4-inch grinding wheel, cut-off wheel. And you want to cut this metal bead band in here that rusts to the rim. This. Right out. See all the rust? That's rust in there. And then basically repeat to the other side. Get all the way through. Work it a little, break the rust off. Trusty work boots. There you go. 2 sides off. Z50 wheels. Rusty, old. Refinish them, repowder them.